All right, we multiplied yesterday. So again, if you didn't watch that video, you need to watch it. Because today we're talking about, still talking about multiplication, but we're talking about distributing. So basically it's the distributive property, which you should know by now, but we're gonna add the radical thing into it, so then we're gonna have to simplify the radicals. All right, so basic distributive property, take the thing on the outside times everything on the inside, root 5 times 4. So this is a whole number, this is a radical. Remember the rules for multiplication is inside numbers times inside numbers, outside numbers times outside numbers. Well, this doesn't have a radical on it. So this would just be 4 root 5, okay? Because there is no other radical here. Then I do this other distribution, and I get square root of 25, because they're both inside the radical. Then simplify. Well, this doesn't simplify. Square root of 25 is 5. So there's your final answer. Okay? That's basically the process. Outside, multiply. 2 times 3, 6 times 3. Distribute again. 2 times 2, 3 times 21. Then simplify. Root 18, so 18 would be 2 times 3 times 3. 3's get out, so it's 18 root 2. 23, now 63, break that down, 7 and 9, 3 and 3, so the 3's get out, so that's 12 root 7. You might get some like terms here on occasion. If you do, you would add or subtract. If you don't, you're done. So throw some variables in the mix. Again, follow your rules. This is an outside number, that's an inside number. They don't go together. So inside times inside. This is 6x squared with a 2 out front. Multiply here, minus 5 root 12x. That's an ugly 5. That is a mess too. Simplify if you can. The 6 doesn't simplify, but the x squared certainly will. So that's 2x out front, root 6. 12. 12 is 3 times 4, 2 times 2. So that's 10 root, I got a 3 and an x left in. All right, there you go. Double distribution. Oh baby, we got all sorts of fun going on today. So, double distribution. Be patient, be organized, go through the steps. This times this. Whole number, radical, they don't mix, 4 root 10. Multiply here, 8 root 15. Multiply here, 50. Multiply here, minus 2 root 75. Now, I said be patient, be organized, okay? It's a lot of stuff. Take your time, do it right. Does the root 10 break down? 2 times 5? Nope. 15. 3 times 5? Nope. 50 will. That's 2 times 25. 5 and a 5. Getting out. So 4 root 10. 8 root 15. 5 root 2. 75. That'll break down. 25 and 3. 5's getting out. There you go. Are any of these like terms? Can they be combined? Nope. So we're done. Again, double distribute. These are both whole numbers. 8 times 8 is 64. Plus 8 root 3. Minus 8 root 3. Remember, whole number, radical. Just put the whole number in front of the radical. If they don't have it, just put them in that order. And then I multiply here. Square root of 3 times the square root of 3. Positive, negative, so it's minus root 9. Simplify your radicals first. Square root of 9, that's a perfect square. Those don't break down. Square root of 9 is 3. Now, do we have like terms here? Yeah, we do. I've got plus root 3, or plus 8 root 3 minus 8 root 3. They're like terms because the root 3's are the same. The front numbers don't have to be the same. Now we just add those up. Remember from a couple days ago. So 8 root 3 minus 8 root 3, that's 0. No root 3's left. And I got a 64 and a minus 3. So my answer here is just plain old 61. All right, pretty cool. All that turned into a whole number 61s. Who'd have thunk it? Questions, speak up. All right, do these on your own. There's some variables in here. Yeah, no, just for fun. Boom. 3 on the outside, 10x squared on the in. Boom. 4 on the outside, 5x squared on the in. Simplify if we can those x squareds, even exponents, gonna cut in half. That's gonna give me a 3x out here. The 10 is just 2 times 5, nothing going on there. X squared is 4x root 5. Are these like terms? Well, remember like terms, same variables and exponents and radicals. So the x's are the same, but the root 5's throw it off. Not like terms, can't combine. That's the end. Do it again. Double distribution. That's not a radical, doesn't simplify. 3 and just a plain x does not simplify. 2 and a plain x does not simplify. That will simplify, I can get that out. So, no simplification for most of this problem, and then I have x root 6. All right, all kinds of fun. Up here, I got 3. Touched on this yesterday about the fast way to do this. Remember, this is a 2 times 3, this is a 2 times 5, 2 times 3, 3 times 5. So, if I break it down first, then when I multiply 2 and a 3, and a 3 and a 5, well, I know there's gonna be 3's getting out, because I'm gonna have a pair of them. So that's gonna give me 12 root 10. If you don't like the fast way, write it down. I'm just trying to show you another way. Do my distribution here. Well, I'm gonna have 2 sets of 2's, a 3 and a 5. So those 2's are getting out, the 3's are already out there, that's gonna be 6. 3 and a 5 are left in, root 15. Do this. Again, I got a 2 and a 5 and a 3 and a 5. So the 5's are getting out, the 4's already out there, so that's 20 minus 20, sorry. Fixed it. And then 6. So always want to double check. Square root of 36 perfect square. I didn't talk about the fast way the first one. So that's going to be 6 is getting out. 18. There. It's a little quicker, requires more in your head. But if you think about, and of course, if I've got like 5 things that's on this list, it may not be the best. But for some of these smaller numbers that only have 2 or 3 factors, try to do some of it in your head. See if you do. If you mess it up, then grab a calculator, multiply it out, and do it the longer way, and get the answer right. Of course, the right answer is the most important thing here. But if you can put it together in your head and work it out, it will go a little quicker for you. All right, get to work, ask questions.